Hey guys, today I'm going to review one of the best budget YouTube or streaming microphone. I'm talking about the Trust Amita Plus streaming microphone, so let's start with a review. Everything that can be seen on this table is included inside of the box. The first thing is the microphone. The microphone is of a full metal build. It's an USB condenser microphone with a cardioid pickup pattern. Next is the tripod. The tripod can be used as a replacement for the arm. Then the shock mount. The shock mount is used in order to reduce the vibrations from your desk or when you're typing on your keyboard. So this is then the pop filter. The pop filter is used to reduce the popping sounds like the letters P and B. This is the foam cover. This can be used instead of the pop filter. This is the arm. The arm is made out of metal and it's used in order to attach your microphone through the shock mount. And it also has a USB cable going through it. And the ends of that USB cable are just directly plugged into your microphone and your computer. Then we have the mount. The mount just screws onto your desk and it holds the arm in place. And the last thing is an extra USB cable. Let's talk about the quality of the microphone. As you probably noticed, I'm using this microphone throughout the whole video. And in my personal opinion, I think it's a really great microphone for the price that you're paying for it. The microphone costs around 120 bucks. And you get everything what's needed in order to start streaming or recording audio for your YouTube videos. So until now, I'm using a little bit of post-processing in order to process my audio, but now I'm gonna insert a short clip of just the original audio from the microphone. Okay guys, so what you're hearing right now is just straightly the audio from the microphone, so without any post-processing. And now I'm going to be quiet for a short amount of time, just so you can hear the noise level. Okay guys, that's it. So my final thoughts are, if you're a beginner YouTuber or streamer and you really want good audio without paying a lot, this is really a great microphone and you should definitely check it out. There's a link down below in my description where you can buy the microphone. I hope that you like the video. If you have any further comments or there's something that I did not cover, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.